you're experiencing crashes while playing Rocket League, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help reduce crashing problems. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that your Rocket League game is up to date. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Update drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your hardware. Install them and restart your computer. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering your in-game graphics settings can help improve performance and reduce crashes. Access the settings menu in Rocket League and try reducing the resolution, turning off anti-aliasing, and lowering texture quality. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run Rocket League. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components or playing on a low performance setting. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce the frequency of crashes in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.